Greetings all, this is the J-Man from Metal SHARXS, and I'm here at a property near Suwannee, Florida, a place where the Suwannee River empties out to the Gulf of Mexico in Florida. And at this little house, I'm going to try a little metal detecting on the property. There's a boathouse behind this house that you can see behind me here. So without further ado, I'm going to give it a whirl. So the J-Man is back with you, and I'm getting my first coin signal after digging up 2 nails. As you can see in front of me, there's a little canal, and if you drop your boat down from a slip here, you can use the canal to get out to the Suwannee River, and then from there you can use the Suwannee to get out into the Gulf and catch some redfish and trout and the like. But I'm here right now doing a little detecting, and there's a signal here near the boathouse, fish cleaning station, about a 76. Pretty clear. Now it's saying 80. About 6 inches deep. $80. 6 inches deep, so I'm going to dig it. Show you what I got here. Let's try the pinpointer here. Well, it's an okay find. It's part of a wing nut, so hopefully you can see that okay. So the J-Man is back with you. And so far I haven't gotten anything good except the wing nut and a couple of nails. But anyhow, I get a 79 signal here, and I think it's in the plug. I'm still near the boathouse. Hey, it looks like we got a coin on the board. Maybe things are turning around a little. So, looks like a penny. I'm trying to see if it's a modern one. There we have an 81 signal, about 6 inches deep. Seems like it's in the clod now. I think it's in the clod. Might have to try the Garrett. Let me try this. Okay. Yeah, this thing has been elusive. Go real slow. Oh, here it is. Oh. Wow. Funny. It's a dime, I think. Oh, a dime? Yeah. Good. So that's a dime. And it's kind of a red dime. So there we have it. Here. So my brother, the Silver Stingray, and I have an 81 or so signal here in this clod behind the community center. So we're going to give it a try. Should be in this clod. Yeah. Here it is, and it looks like a Lincoln Memorial penny. Rang up as an 81. So there you have it, another penny. Another one in the cloud if you want to get it. Okay. Maybe people throw pennies back here for good luck or something. So there's another penny signal in this clod. or perhaps a dime. And so, is that it? Is that like a
Like a piping or a shotgun, or I mean a bullet casing?
Yeah, that's a strange thing. Might be something we could clean up and figure out what that is. But it's like pinched off. So if any viewers have an idea, please let us know. We'll try to clean it up for our wrap up.
Where's the 37 come up on us yours?
$53.
Dig it if you want me to.
This one's tough because it might be a nickel because it comes up a little high sometimes.
Yeah.
Like a 56. So maybe we should dig it.
Oh,
one time I dug a 53 and it was actually a nickel.
I should. That's it, whatever it is. Piece of copper.
It's another. It's kind of like that other metal I found.
Big copper pipe.
Yeah. It might be a squash toes piece.
Yeah. That's
kind of what it looks
nice
like.
Piece of copper.
Greetings all again, this is the J-Man with Metal SHARXS and doing a wrap up from my time at Suwannee, Florida metal detecting, 2 different sites. So just by way of a recap, I metal detected solo at the river house area and boathouse area, and then my brother the Silver Stingray and I went down to a community center which might be somewhat close to where Fort Duval was once located, a historic fort from the 1820s through 1840s. But no one knows for sure exactly where that fort is, or if there's any remains of it, where it was back in the day. And over time, the traces of it are probably hard to find now. But at any rate, at the boathouse and river house area, I found some nails, and then this wing nut, which could still be used. And then this is an electrical connection piece, probably for boat wiring on the display panel. And this is an old eraser metal piece from a pencil. Now this appears with its threaded area here and rounded edges here. My best guess on that is that it could have been a flashlight cover piece, but it might have been something else. And then this is a crimped piece of pipe, so I'm not sure what that is. We found that at the community center, and it has either a barnacle or a weld spot there. So I don't know if any viewers have comments on what that might have been. And then this looks like a piece of a hose connection, and but I'm not positive either on that. It has a little bit of a raised area along where my finger is. So then there's a couple of pop tops, of course, the ubiquitous pop tops. And then one dime that was from '89. The oldest penny was from 1977. Then 4 other Lincoln Memorial pennies, and then 1 Union Shield design penny. So we had a good time trying there, but we didn't find much. But we do hope we can go back, because Fort Duval was an important place, even though a small place, where U.S. Army troops guarded the mouth of the Suwannee, and Native Americans did a lot of trading in that area and transporting goods up and down the Suwannee. And there's also some kind of history about the pirate Billy Bowlegs being connected to the Old Town area, which isn't probably 20 or 30 miles from where we detected. Maybe a little more than that. So there's a lot of history there that we want to track down, so we hope we can get back. But there you have it, J-Man out.
Thank you very much. Have a fine day.